You're an expert at maintaining your property, but everyday interactions between you and your tenants, from property updates to maintenance requests, can quickly become overwhelming, leaving your property operations disorganized and your tenants feeling disconnected. We understand that building strong communities takes both communication and collaboration. Bridge communication gaps with the help of online portals that enable you to provide important community updates, collect rent and renewal payments, and coordinate with maintenance engineers to complete service requests faster. Run smoothly, deliver better service, and build strong communities with digital tools that make property operations easier.